Ozempic side effects. Nobody talks about shedding light on the full story. Have you heard the buzz about Ozempic, the new miracle weight loss drug? Celebrities are raving about it. Social media is flooded with before and after pictures, and it seems like everyone's jumping on the Ozempic bandwagon. But hold on a minute, before you join the crowd, let's peel back the layers and unveil the shocking truth that nobody seems to be talking about. The potential side effects of Ozempic. This informative yet entertaining guide will separate fact from fiction, explore the lesser-known side effects of Ozempic, and empower you to make informed decisions about your health journey. So, grab a cup of tea, cuddle up with your furry friend, because bathroom breaks might be more frequent, and dive into the world of Ozempic, side effects and all. Part 1. The Ozempic Odyssey. Unveiling the science behind the hype. What is Ozempic? Ozempic, semaglutide, is a prescription glucagon-like peptide-1, GLP-1 receptor agonist medication primarily used to treat type 2 diabetes. However, it has recently gained popularity for its off-label use in weight management. Ozempic works by mimicking a natural gut hormone that regulates appetite and blood sugar levels, leading to feelings of fullness and potentially reduced calorie intake. The allure of Ozempic: dramatic results, but is it sustainable? Studies show promising weight loss results with Ozempic, with users experiencing an average reduction of 5–10% of their body weight. However, it's crucial to remember that Ozempic is not a magic bullet. Weight loss primarily occurs due to reduced appetite, not some fat-burning miracle. The long-term effectiveness of Ozempic for weight management is still under investigation. Part 2. Beyond the glamorous ads, unveiling the potential side effects of Ozempic. The not-so-pretty side of Ozempic: gastrointestinal woes. While Ozempic boasts impressive weight loss results, the journey might be bumpy, literally. The most common side effects of Ozempic involve your digestive system. Nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, and stomach cramps are all frequent companions on the Ozempic path. While these symptoms usually subside over time, they can significantly impact your daily life. Imagine planning a fun outing with friends, only to be constantly scouting for the nearest restroom. Not exactly the recipe for a stress-free adventure. Beyond the gut. Exploring other potential side effects. The roller coaster doesn't end at your stomach. Ozempic can also lead to headaches, fatigue, dizziness, and gallstone formation. In some cases, it might even increase your risk of pancreatitis, a serious inflammation of the pancreas. These side effects, while less common than digestive issues, are still important to consider before embarking on the Ozempic journey. Part 3. A candid conversation. Is Ozempic right for you? Ozempic is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Just because your friend or favorite celebrity is having success with Ozempic doesn't mean it's the right choice for you. Ozempic is not suitable for everyone. People with a history of pancreatitis, diabetic ketoacidosis, or certain types of tumors should avoid it. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also steer clear. It's important to have a frank conversation with your doctor to determine if Ozempic aligns with your medical history and individual needs. Exploring alternative avenues for weight loss. Ozempic is a powerful medication with significant side effects. Before diving in, consider exploring alternative approaches to weight loss. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and sustainable lifestyle changes can lead to healthy and lasting weight management. Think colorful fruits and veggies, lean protein sources, and whole grains instead of fad diets and restrictive meal plans. Find activities you genuinely enjoy, whether it's a brisk walk in nature, a dance class with friends, or a stimulating yoga session. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, and sustainable habits are key to long-term success. Part 4. Knowledge is power. Making informed decisions about your health. Empowering yourself. Open communication with your doctor. The key to navigating your health journey is open and honest communication with your doctor. Discuss your weight loss goals in detail, including your preferred timeline and any underlying medical conditions you might have. Don't be shy to ask questions about Ozempic's side effects and how they might impact your daily life. Together, you can create a personalized plan that prioritizes your safety and well-being. Beyond Ozempic, a holistic approach to weight loss. Remember, lasting weight loss is about more than just a number on the scale. Focus on creating healthy habits that nourish your body and mind. Explore stress management techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises to combat emotional eating. Prioritize quality sleep, which plays a crucial role in regulating hormones that influence appetite. Find activities you genuinely enjoy that get your heart rate up and your body moving. Building a holistic approach to well-being sets the stage for sustainable weight management and a healthier you. Part 5. Your health journey. A continual adventure. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. Focus on progress, not perfection. There will be setbacks on your weight loss journey, and that's okay. Celebrate small victories like conquering a new workout routine or resisting the urge for a sugary treat. Learn from challenges and adjust your approach accordingly. Most importantly, be kind to yourself. A healthy relationship with food and your body is essential for long-term success. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a marathon, not a sprint. Finding your tribe, the power of support. Surround yourself with supportive people who celebrate your health goals. Join online communities dedicated to healthy living, find a workout buddy to keep you motivated, or confide in a trusted friend who can offer encouragement and accountability. Having a support system can make a world of difference on your journey. Part 6. The Road Less Traveled. Exploring Natural Weight Loss Solutions. Beyond medication, unveiling the power of nature. While Ozempic might seem like a quick fix, there's a whole world of natural solutions waiting to be explored. Consider incorporating certain herbs and spices like cinnamon or turmeric into your diet, which have been shown to regulate blood sugar and potentially aid in weight management. Explore the benefits of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains that promote satiety and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Remember, natural solutions often require more effort and patience, but they can lead to sustainable and healthy weight loss in the long run. The takeaway: informed choices for a healthier you. Ozempic may be a powerful weight loss tool, but it's not without its potential downsides. By understanding the science behind the drug, exploring the lesser-known side effects, and discussing your options with your doctor, you can make informed choices about your health. Remember, you are the author of your health story. Choose a path that prioritizes your well-being, embraces a holistic approach, and empowers you to create a sustainable and healthy future. The path to a healthier you is a winding road, not a one-size-fits-all expressway. Ozempic might be a tempting detour, but remember, the scenic route of balanced nutrition, consistent exercise, and stress-busting techniques can lead to a more sustainable and enjoyable destination. Embrace the exploration! Discover the joy of fueling your body with vibrant veggies and lean protein, the exhilaration of movement that makes your heart sing, and the peace of mind that comes from managing stress. Celebrate the small victories, conquering a new workout routine, resisting a sugary temptation, or simply feeling more energized throughout the day. There will be bumps along the road, setbacks and cravings, but don't despair. Learn from them, adjust your approach, and remember, you're not alone. Build a support system of friends, family, or online communities who understand your journey and cheer you on. Ultimately, a healthy lifestyle is a gift you give to yourself, one that keeps on giving. More energy, improved mood, and a body that feels strong and capable. So ditch the quick fixes and embark on this exciting adventure towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, the most beautiful reward isn't a number on the scale. It's the confident, radiant smile staring back at you in the mirror. Did you enjoy the content? Please support the channel by clicking the subscribe and share buttons. Let us know in the comments below your experiences, positive or negative, with Ozempic, or share your personal tips for healthy weight loss. We'd love to hear from you.